Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am here with my January 2019 Ipsy Unbagging. It came yesterday, but I was super impatient and I already opened it and looked at it right after I got it from my mailbox, but I do want to go ahead and share it with you guys, share the products that I got inside. I apologize for my voice. I still have a nasty head cold. If you watched my last video that I uploaded on Tuesday, which was Boyfriend Does My Voiceover, you saw my tutorial using the Decay Naked Heat palette, and I was unable to personally do the voiceover because I've been struggling with even having a voice, and then the times that I do have a voice, I sound like a man or I sound like this. So my boyfriend was kind enough to step in and he helped film and record that voiceover. So thank you so much to him. I wanted to get this video filmed for you guys though so that I can get a video up on Thursday. So let's go ahead and just get started with this unbagging. So as I'm sure you are all well aware, but I will go ahead and let you know anyways, just in case you're not, Ipsy is a subscription service. It costs about $10 a month plus a little bit of change for tax. And I've been subscribed for like 3, 4, maybe 5. I can't remember how long they've been around, but I've been subscribed since the 2nd year of their existence. So it's been quite a while. My last 2 bags have been really good. This bag, not my favorite, I'm gonna go ahead and be honest with you guys, but I think the bag is super cute. For whatever reason, I get like Disneyland vibes from it, like Carnation Cafe type of thing, and maybe it's just because of a Disney account that I follow on Instagram. I showed it to my boyfriend and I'm like, look, Disneyland, and he's like, what? No. It's just this light blue and white print stripes with hot pink trim and zipper. It's really cute. I like the bag itself. It's just the products inside this month I'm not super excited about, but my last few months have been super awesome. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with something that's not even in the bag. It was just in the mailer. This is from Illamasqua and it's a coloring pencil or an eyeliner, and it's in the shade Honor. And I thought that it was gonna be like a brown shade, but it's actually more of like a plum shade. It glides on really smoothly. It's got really nice pigmentation, but it's kind of like a plummy brown. It's not just a true brown. It's really pretty. It does not have staying power though, because when I draw it on, you can smudge it out. Like, I don't feel like it ever sets. So I was able to wipe it off last night with just my finger, which kind of surprised me a little bit. So I'm not sure how well it's gonna work. I typically don't use pencil liners except for in my Tightline and Waterline, but if this one doesn't set, I'm not sure how well that would work. But I am interested in trying that out in the Tightline to see what it would look like. Next up, going inside the bag, the theme this month is New Year, more products, more focus on you. They are actually going to be redoing their personalization boutique or whatever it's called, so that you have more personalized pics of what you get in your bag, which I think is great. And I will talk about that more in just a minute, something that I've kind of gotten like 6 times in the past 10 months, I feel like. But that's exciting. I'm excited. They're gonna, I guess, email the quiz when it's launched or whatever. The next thing I have in the bag is something I'm excited about. It's from the Way Hair Care and it's leave-in conditioner. I did use it last night after I showered. You're supposed to apply it to damp hair before you brush or comb through it. My hair does feel pretty soft. It's not as tangled as it usually tends to be. It is just after 5 p.m. when I'm filming, and usually by this time, like after working and things like that, if I don't have a chance to brush through my hair, it's super tangly, but it feels pretty smooth right now. The only thing I will say, and I'm pretty sick and congested, is that it has a super strong floral scent that even I could smell last night when I was congested. Like, it's like a rosy floral. So I can't personally stand rosy floral scents. I thought it was going to be like kind of a beachy, fresh type of scent. So I was a little caught off guard by it, but I do like the product and I'm definitely in need of a leave-in conditioner. So I am excited about this. Next up, and I actually tore the box, this is from Nail Medic. It's a rose hip and green tea infused nail polish, and it's 10 free, so it doesn't have any of that nasty stuff in it, and it's in Rose and Chill. I've never actually heard of this brand before, but this is the shade. It's like a rose gold bronzy type of color. It's metallic-y. I'm not sure how I feel about it. I think if it was just like a flat matte nude type of shade, I would like it a lot more, but the like the metallic-y chrominess of it, I'm not sure if I like. The shade I'm wearing on my nails right now is from Kokie Cosmetics, and it's in Heavenly, and it totally reminds me of that periwinkle dress that Lady Gaga wore to the Golden Globes. So total Lady Gaga vibes. I usually typically like go with black or silver or something, but unless it's summer I go like orange and yellow. But I do really like this shade. I think it's really pretty. And the next product is from Nomad. I have heard of this brand. I have received products from them before. This is an illuminating highlighting powder. And this is what I'm talking about, the personalization, because I've received like 6 highlighters in 10 months. And don't get me wrong, I love a good highlighter, but I'm not a highlighter queen, and I don't need any more highlighters. This one is super tiny. This is what it looks like. It looks like a really pretty shade. I would probably use it as like a brow bone highlight or inner corner highlight, and I'm not even like wearing any eyeshadow today at all. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep it, so I don't want to swatch it in case I'm not, but I'm kind of tired of getting highlighters. And then the last thing that I have in my bag is from Fluid, I guess. It's F-L-U-I-D-E, Fluide. I'm not sure how I'm saying it. I've never heard of this brand before, but it's just a lip gloss in Elsewhere. It has a really nice sweet scent to it, and it looks blue in the tube, but when you apply it, it's just a clear gloss, and it is very sticky. You can kind of see it catching the light right there. It's a very sticky gloss. It might be transformative on the lips. I haven't tried it out on the lips yet, but as you can see on my hand, the swatch, it's just a clear gloss. So those are the items that I received this month. I know I'm not super impressed with the items, but I do still recommend Ipsy. Like I said, I've been subscribed for a long time, and I've gotten a lot of really good stuff from them. Last month's bag was incredible. I know that you can start adding products on for like $3 now, and even like full-size products you can add on for like $12. There was like a palette that I wanted to pick up and add on, but I'm saving my money at the moment, so I didn't want to do that. But I did see it in their little store that they had. They had a Luxie brush for $3 that you could add on also, and those are my favorite brushes ever. Just a bunch of different things that they're doing and upgrading. They've got Ipsy Plus now, which is $25 a month. Like I said, the one that I get is just $10 a month. In the future, I do hope to try Ipsy Plus, but right now I'm just going to stick to the $10 a month and hopefully do monthly reviews for you guys. If you are subscribed to Ipsy, please let me know what you got down below. I will have a link for it. I don't get like any additional products or anything. I just get some points if you use my referral link. If you don't want to use it, totally cool. But thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and I would love to hear what you got in your Ipsy bag for the month of January. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up for my wonderful voice, and I will talk to you in my next video, hopefully with my normal Elise voice. But thank you for watching. Talk to you later. Bye guys.
If a picture's worth 1,000 words, I'll paint an invitation to let you in.